Here we go.
Hello everyone, this is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Just showing off my new template, my new scalping template that I'm using with my prop firm. I am trading gold, and I like trading gold because it's highly volatile, makes a lot of money, but it can lose a lot. So therefore I had to revamp my system, come up with a trading, like a scalping system that could keep me out of trouble. And what would be ideal for a scalping system? Let your winners run, cut your losses short. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. So I came up with this system. I call it the bounce or break scalping system. Basically, we have this moving average right here, which is a 20, and you can set it for whatever you like. You might want to set it down to a 9. Depends what you like. I like the 20. And when I get a break above the 20 and my RSI is above 50, it's a green candle. We have a buy situation. Now it helps more when I can see that the trend lines are telling me we're in a triangle and we had a big move down and we might have another move at least halfway up, which is where my profit target is. That I like too. So, but the main thing is when I'm above the 20, RSI is above the 50, we have a buy. If it breaks back below, now we close the trade or we have a sell. I can hit the reverse button or I can just close the trade. It's my choice. But my goal is to easily make $500 to $1,000 a day with my prop firm so I can enjoy a nice, easy life and be at home, stress-free, making money, and be able to enjoy life the way I'd like. So that's what this is all about. This is about life-changing stuff. But the problem is getting to that point. We can all buy the account, we can all get the software, but can you do what it takes to get it done? This template makes it much easier. And that's why I'm showing you. And gold is the hardest thing to trade. Anytime somebody's told me that they blew their account, usually it was trading gold. Because gold is volatile. If you get in the wrong point and you get caught here trying to buy that and you didn't have a stop or you didn't know where to get out, it just took all your money. Now, no matter what, somebody's making money with gold. It says if you lose it, they're handing it to somebody else who won it. So you want to be the one winning, and this template makes it happen. It allows me to let my winners run and cut my losses short. Now you may have some break-even trades, some small winners, even some small losers. But as you get into that, when you finally get to the one trade that makes you the money, you made it, and then you got it again. You might even get it again, so we'll see. So it's pretty awesome. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. You don't have to think hard. You just look. My 50 broke below. It ran this far. It came back up. So you would have brought it from here to there. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a lot of money to me. So this is pretty awesome. I don't think it gets any easier than this unless somebody just puts a buy or sell thing on it. And basically that's a buy, and if it goes below, that's a sell. And these are sells below. So we've actually done it, but you have to, it's not in words. You have to actually see it and push the button. So I'm very happy to have this system. I'm happy to have the prop firm where I can make money in it. Everything seems to be going very well. Right now I'm still in the demo stage of it. I need to get to where I can make my amount of money in the aggressive for the funding talent. So then I can start getting my live account and make 90% of that. Now can you imagine right here 20, 30 minutes making $500 and getting 90% of that? And maybe you're doing $1,000 a day. You trade more than one session. You take a day off the next day. Or the next day looks a little more difficult to trade and you don't trade it. That's fine too. But it's just an easy way to trade, and that's why I'm showing it to you. It's not here to brag. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you make money. Because when I help you, I learn. I get better. I fine-tune my skills. If I just did this on my own, I'd probably get bored and cheat and break every rule there is and lose all my money. And that's not what I want to do. I'm here to hone my skills and help you hone your skills. And with that, we all make money and everything goes forward. And what an easy life that is to be able to be home, making a few $100s to $500 to even $1,000 a day. Sometimes more. I've got a little crazy and put 20 lots on gold and made 6,000. I have to admit it. But then I put 10 lots and lost 4,000. So it's how it is. This gold can either make money or lose money. So that's why I treat it very respectful now. I've been through the ringer too much with it, so even after all the years of trading, gold is still the hardest thing to trade. So that's why I had to come up with a scalping system that would keep me out of trouble. And that's what it's all about. So I'm very happy, very excited to show this guy to all you guys. Like I said, it doesn't get any easier than this. We're just moving up into profit. We're up $40. But if we go below the 20, which is basically below this trend line, RSI goes below 50, we close the trade. That simple. But right now we're moving up, and we can stay calm because everything is telling us that we're in the trade. We're going. We're up $72 and growing, climbing. Just I needed a system to keep me calm, keep me cool and collected, and kept me from losing money. Because I'm my own worst enemy. I will get into a trade and I will let it run against me, thinking that I see areas of support that might get me out. That do not. It just keeps going. Then after the trade's all done, I look at it and think, what was I doing? So this will stop that. This will kill the human nature side of me that makes the mistake. Oh, it's bad enough that I will push the wrong button, or I will miss the trade, or I'll fall asleep and not get out when I should. Those things will still happen. But as far as being wide awake and watching my money dwindle away, that will never happen again. And that I'm happy about, because I'm here to make money, not give it away. And lately, it just seems like I was giving it away and I didn't like it. Even with all the years of experience, it's still hard to take that loss. But now, as soon as it crosses this line, as soon as this crosses that line, I'm out. That's the line in the sand, and that's what I've always needed. Just I got it in with the prop firms, and they give me a lot more money, so therefore I had a lot more room, and I thought, you know what? I got room to let this go against me $300 to $500. Well, that starts to hurt after a while. I don't know about you, I can't make any money that way. So therefore I had to treat it like it was a small account again, and this is the only way I can think possible. Except I'm running it with one lot or two lots. Once I win, I bump up a lot. That's how I do it. Because usually I can get 2 winning trades in a row. But then my third trade, I go ahead and go back down to my one lot. It's just after my first trade, I go to 2 lots. If it's a winning trade. If it's a losing trade, I stay one lot. But I try to be aggressive that way to make more money. Because usually when I'm in the zone and I can't lose. So you know what I mean. You've been there. Just a way for me to raise the stakes when the things are going good. But when they're going bad, I lower them back down. So right now, this is going great. Just sitting here talking to you guys, just making money. I love it. Now right now, I'm still in the demo form of the account. But once I get live, this will be 90% of my money. So I don't know about how hard you have to work for $100 a day. I have to work pretty hard. So I'm just glad those days are behind me. Right now I'm just watching the money fall into the play. So right now I'm working up a package where you can get the template, you can get my other template, and you can get support, you can get education, you can get everything you need. You can get backup. Because you're only as good as your backup. You can have a team of me behind you helping you make money, and that's what it's all about. And I want to get together a community where we can help each other. We can post trades that we like, trades we didn't like, learn from it. Learn from other people's mistakes and learn from their great opportunities. And that's what life's all about. But I'm very excited to share this with you because this is life-changing for me. I've been doing this 12 years. I've been finding all kinds of different ways. The best thing I had before was having small accounts, maybe multiple accounts, and dividing my winnings above them, and, throughout the accounts. And that did great, but now with the prop firm so easy that we can get in and make money, there's no reason why not to utilize their money. Even if it's just a $25,000 account and you put $155 in, even if you blow the account and you get kicked out of the account, it's only $100 to restart it back up. Now, I don't know about you, when you put $500 or $1,000 into account and you lose the whole thing, right? That's what usually happens. And then to start it up again, we got to put another 500 or 1,000. That's a lot of money. I'd rather 155 and 100. And I would definitely do the 25,000 first. And then once you find out you're profitable with that and that everything works for you, then you can bump up to another account of 100,000. But wait till you're profitable. Learn. Make sure it works for you. Get past all the jitters and problems that you run into trading. But it's a great way to learn, I can tell you that. Having more money behind you so you can take a larger trade. As I know, when I had $500, I was running 0.1 trades. It just seemed like I was pushing the trades and I was working way too hard for that little 0.1. I'd work all day long just to give it away on one bad trade. Here, you're with one lot, two lots, one trade, you're making quite a bit of money. This is just one lot, $500. And this could just shoot right up there, or this could break down and kick me out of the trade. But either way, I'm going to do what the system tells me, and that's the key. I don't second guess anything. I don't look for anything else, because the problem is the market's designed against us. So the more we look at technical analysis, the more we listen to fundamentals, or we listen to other people saying it's a good time to get in or a good time to get out, we will lose money. But if you use this system does not lie. This system says you're above the 20, you're climbing into profit, the RSI is above 50, and you keep going. And you don't quit until you get to that $500. But if this goes the other way and it goes underneath the 50, the green candle turns red and it goes underneath the 20 moving average, then you exit the trade without anybody telling you anything. You take that loss now. And that's how this trade is designed to work, this system. This is where you can cut your losses, but you can let your winners run. Pretty awesome. Look, we're just sitting here talking. We're already up $161. I don't know of anything easier than this. All right, everybody. You guys have a great day. I hope you learned from this. I hope this is something that would be good for you. If so, my email is here on the YouTube. So please get to me. I have a website. I have everything you need. I'm here to help you. So let's make money together. Thanks again. Bye-bye. And let's make some money in the markets, everybody. Bye-bye.